Imagine a world where even the most basic objects can fail catastrophically, and a humble bottle opener becomes a symbol of ingenuity and resilience. This phenomenon occurs when we learn from mistakes and trial and error, as evident in the story of a simple bottle opener. Bottle openers are ubiquitous, but their design has remained relatively unchanged for centuries. Why is that? What makes bottle openers so difficult to improve upon? It's a question that has puzzled inventors and engineers for centuries. But what if I told you that a bottle opener can fail in spectacular fashion? In fact, it's not uncommon for bottle openers to shatter or break under pressure. It's a design flaw that has been overlooked for far too long. But what if I told you that there's a way to design a bottle opener that's virtually indestructible? It's a concept that has been explored by engineers and inventors for decades. The key lies in understanding the mechanics of how a bottle opener works. Imagine a bottle opener as a delicate balance of leverage and pressure. When this balance is disrupted, the bottle opener can fail catastrophically. But what happens when we apply the principles of trial and error to design a new bottle opener? We get a device that's not only durable, but also more efficient and effective. For example, a recent experiment by engineers at MIT showed that a redesigned bottle opener could open 500 bottles without breaking. But that's not the strangest part. The redesign also led to a significant reduction in the amount of force required to open a bottle. It's a testament to the power of learning from mistakes and trial and error. So, what can we learn from the humble bottle opener? For one, it's a reminder that even the most basic objects can be improved upon. Secondly, it highlights the importance of understanding the mechanics of how things work. And finally, it shows us that with persistence and creativity, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. In fact, the story of the bottle opener is a microcosm of the scientific method itself. We start with a hypothesis, test it, and refine it until we arrive at a solution. It's a process that's been repeated countless times throughout history. Take the example of the Wright brothers, who learned from their mistakes to design the first powered flight, or the story of Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin by accident. In both cases, trial and error played a crucial role in their success. So, what can we apply from the story of the bottle opener to our own lives? For one, it's a reminder to approach problems with a curious and open-minded attitude. Secondly, it shows us the importance of understanding the underlying mechanics of a problem. And finally, it encourages us to persist in the face of adversity. In short, learning from mistakes and trial and error is a vital part of the scientific method. It's a process that's been refined over centuries and has led to some of the most incredible breakthroughs in human history. But what about the real-world consequences of this process? For one, it's led to the development of new technologies and innovations. Secondly, it's improved our understanding of the world around us. And finally, it's inspired new generations of scientists and engineers. So, what does this mean for us today? It means that we should approach problems with a curious and open-minded attitude. It means that we should strive to understand the underlying mechanics of a problem. And it means that we should persist in the face of adversity. In fact, the story of the bottle opener is a powerful reminder of the importance of learning from mistakes and trial and error. It's a lesson that we can apply to our own lives and careers. So let's take a page out of the book of the humble bottle opener. Let's approach problems with curiosity and persistence. And let's never be afraid to try again, even if we fail. Because, as the story of the bottle opener shows us, failure is often the first step towards success. And that's a lesson that we can all learn from. Want more mind-blowing facts and inspiring stories? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the story of the bottle opener. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.